Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, here with another in a series of interviews with just a fraction of the more than 200 experts who will present sessions at Kscope 2014. That, of course, is the annual Oracle Development Tools User Group event, this year happening in Seattle, June 22nd through the 26th. Today, my guest is Eric Erikson, an Oracle Certified Specialist in Hyperion Financial Management. Good morning, Eric. How are things in North Carolina?
Nice and sunny today, Bob. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks. So tell me about the sessions you'll be doing at Kscope.
Sure. I'm doing 3 sessions total, 2 presentations and 1 hands-on session. For the presentations, I am doing a rules presentation on diagnosing metadata errors. So if you flag an account as an asset and it should be a revenue or expense account because it's on the income statement, FM can actually tell you that. So not many customers know how to set this up. So we'll go through the process of why you do it, how you do it, what are the benefits. Second presentation is on Calculation Manager. It's been around for 5 years or so now. A lot of customers have moved to it. Some customers haven't. So we want to dispel any last myth or hesitation people may have around Calculation Manager. It's safe to go in the water there. The third presentation is actually a hands-on session where these are fun, where students bring their laptop, they log into a server, they're hands-on with the product for 2 hours, and this time we're doing calculations again, but it's on rounding. You round your data to millions, it needs to scale and foot properly, you don't want to lose precision in the data, so we'll talk about a couple different ways of approaching that.
So you've described two sessions in a hands-on lab here. If there's one key takeaway from each of those, if there's an aha moment in each of those sessions, what would it be?
Sure. With the metadata, it's FM can tell you if your metadata is not living up to the design. You just got to set it up. That's the takeaway there. Calc Manager, the key takeaway is it's safe to use. It's not for the it's for regular everyday folks to use. It's mainstream at this point. And then the rounding it's a complicated issue. There are ways to do it, and each way has its pros and cons.
So what sessions are on your schedule? Obviously, you're not just going to be spending your time teaching people how to do this stuff. So whose sessions are you planning on catching while you're in Seattle?
I always go to Rich Wilkie's What's New and What's Coming. It lets me know, with 11.124 coming at some point, that'll be the next major release. So let me know what to plan for as far as new features, and what am I going to have to work with. What's coming later? There's always a further look into the future with that. Also, I haven't looked through specific sessions yet, but I always look for a couple client sessions. What are clients doing? Maybe they and their consulting group have thought of something I haven't. So I want to make sure I'm as a consultant, I'm keeping track with the other folks doing new things.
Now, presenting sessions at this sort of an event is not the only way that you impart your insight and expertise to people. I know you're involved in training on this. Talk to me a little bit about what you do.
Sure. So I have 2 roles for my career, and I'm blessed to have the 2. Number one, I'm a consultant, so independent consultant. I work with partners. I work with direct customers on new projects. I do a lot of remodels. Second part regarding the training, I work with a company called 123 OLAP. They're an exhibitor this year at Kscope. You can go find them on the booth, and we do Hyperion training. It's a little unique from other companies that do training because we're not using Oracle's university material. We write our own material. So from a consulting standpoint, what do we see customers needing to know when they do that initial implementation? They want to train their staff on admin level knowledge. So I write the courses for HFM, and I'm one of the teachers. We have several teachers for HFM. We have other people that do planning, SBASE, OBIEE, etc. So stop by the booth. We'll be glad to tell you more about it.
So what are you going to do for fun while you're in Seattle?
We're bringing the kids out with us. My wife is also involved in the Hyperion community, so she's going to be out there. We're bringing the kids, My sister-in-law is coming down from Vancouver, BC, to watch the kids for us. So, so we're going to do the Space Needle. We're going to do the underground tour. Hopefully, get out on the water a little bit. So we're looking forward to it.
Oh, so this is a big family event for you.
Yeah.
All
Why
right.
not?
All right. Well, thanks for taking time to talk to me this morning, Eric, and have a great show at Kscope.
Thanks. Looking forward to seeing everyone there.